Hey everyone! If you're trying to set your Instagram business account to private and it's not working, here's why. First, open the Instagram and go to your profile. Then here tap the three lines menu at the top right and scroll to Settings and Privacy. Then here scroll down and look for Account Type and Tools. Then tap Switch Account Type. Then select Switch to Personal or Switch to Creator account. Then the business accounts on Instagram cannot be private. The only way to make your account private is to switch back to a personal account. And once you've switched it, you can now go to the settings and click privacy and turn on the private account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.